If you've ever faced the stress of paint spills or dust ruining your home projects, you're not alone. Here are the 5 best canvas drop cloths I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Corporate Hills Canvas Drop Cloth, 9x12. Let's kick things off with the Corporate Hills Canvas Painter's Drop Cloth. Priced at $36.99, this pack comes with 2 9x12 feet drop cloths, and I was immediately drawn to its heavy-duty cotton material. If you want reliable protection for your floors and furniture, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It's made from 100% pure cotton, which means it's not just durable, but also incredibly absorbent. This cloth will soak up spills and paint drips, keeping your surfaces safe. The double-stitched seams enhance its durability, ensuring it won't rip or tear under pressure. This is crucial if you're tackling big projects like home renovations or painting rooms. And with over 1,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that many people trust it. Now, some might be worried that it's not water resistant. Here's the thing though. While it can absorb spills, that's actually a plus if you're trying to protect your surfaces. Just make sure to use it wisely and clean it up quickly after use. If you're really looking for something that can hold up against all kinds of messes, this is still a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional painter who needs something reliable. But skip this one if you're just looking for a quick, disposable option. For the price, you're getting quality that lasts, making it a worthwhile investment. Now, if the higher price point of the Corporate Hills cloth is a concern, this next option offers great quality at a more budget-friendly price. Product number 2. Corporate Hills Canvas Drop Cloth, 6x9. Another option from Corporate Hills, this time the 6x9 feet Canvas Painter's Drop Cloth, priced at $24.99. It caught my eye because it's a slightly smaller size, perfect for those smaller projects. If you want quality without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look. So why does this one fit your needs? Just like its larger counterpart, it's made of 100% cotton with double-stitched seams. This makes it equally absorbent and durable, ready to catch any paint spills or dust that could damage your surfaces. With the versatility of being used for anything from arts and crafts to painting, it really meets a lot of needs. Plus, the fact that it's sold in packs of 2 makes it even more appealing for various tasks around the house. However, I did find some complaints about the weight. Some users mentioned that it felt a bit lighter than expected. Here's the thing though, while it may not be as thick as other options, that lighter weight can actually be beneficial for smaller tasks or when you need a cloth that's easier to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you're working on smaller home improvement projects or need something portable. But if you're focused on larger renovations, you might want to consider a bigger size. For the price, you're getting a great balance of quality and value here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize absorbency. Product number 3. Easy Drop Canvas Drop Cloth, 4x5. The Easy Drop Painter's Canvas Fabric Drop Cloth, measuring 4 by 5 feet and priced at just $8.79. This caught my attention because it's incredibly budget-friendly and perfect for quick jobs. If you just need something simple for your small projects, this might fit the bill. Here's why it's a good choice. This drop cloth is made from heavy-duty cotton duck canvas, which means it's tough and absorbs liquids well. It's designed to prevent paint tracking and spills, keeping your workspace clean. At a weight of 15.8 ounces, it's lightweight but still offers a good level of protection. Plus, the fact that it's washable and reusable makes it a great eco-friendly option for those smaller tasks. But I have to be honest, some users mentioned that it could be a bit smaller due to the seams. This might be frustrating if you're expecting precise dimensions. However, if you're using it for smaller items or quick touch-ups, the slight size discrepancy shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer or just need something for small craft projects. But skip this if you're looking for a large coverage area. At this price, it's a fantastic option for those who want something effective without a big investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more size and durability, keep watching because the next product is a strong contender. Product number 4. Green Lifestyle Canvas Drop Cloth 4x12. Let's talk about the Green Lifestyle All-Purpose Canvas Drop Cloth, which measures 4x12 feet and is priced at $16.99. The first thing that struck me is its versatility for both indoor and outdoor uses. If you want something that can handle various tasks while providing heavy-duty protection, this is a great option. Why does this matter for you? This drop cloth is made from thick cotton canvas, providing superior durability and absorbing spills effectively. It's also water resistant, which is a big plus if you're doing outdoor projects where unexpected weather might be a concern. The double-stitch seams ensure it will last through multiple uses, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIYers alike. Given that it's already sold over 1,000 units last month, it's clearly a popular pick. However, some users found it a bit heavy for certain uses. Here's my take. While it might be a little bulkier, that thickness actually contributes to its durability, so if you're doing serious work, that's a positive. This is perfect if you're tackling home renovations or renovations that require heavy protection, but if you're just doing light touch-ups, you might want to consider something lighter. For the cost, you're investing in a durable item that will pay off in the long run. Now, if you want something that offers even more pieces for larger tasks, wait until you see the next one on our list. Product number 5, the Zuperia Canvas Drop Cloth, coming in a pack of 4 at a price of $39.59 for 4x12 feet each. This one really caught my eye because you get multiple pieces for bigger projects. If you want to ensure your entire workspace is covered, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this is a great choice. These drop cloths are made from a premium cotton blend, which means they're durable and designed for repeated use. The absorbent nature of the fabric helps catch all those pesky drips and spills, making your cleanup process a breeze. Plus, with double-stitched hems, they're built to withstand wear and tear, making them perfect for ongoing projects. However, a few users mentioned that they found them to be a bit too thin for heavy-duty tasks. Here's my perspective. While they might feel thinner, they are highly absorbent and can handle a variety of projects without issues. This is perfect for you if you have larger home improvement jobs coming up or need multiple drop cloths for various areas. But skip this if you need something that can handle extreme heavy-duty use. Overall, you're getting a great deal in terms of quantity for the price you pay. If you're looking to cover a large area and want something reliable, you might want to consider this option. To wrap it up, we've covered 5 great options for canvas drop cloths that can truly protect your home during projects. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Green Lifestyle Canvas Drop Cloth because of its durability and versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. However, I recommend avoiding the Easy Drop Canvas if you need a larger size, as it may not meet your expectations.